Hello, in this lecture we want to explain about repainting. Repainting is mean if, for example, you have a label, you have a buy label, but pinescript Tradingview recalculate and delete that buy label. How we have this situation? You know, in historical chart, we have four main values: open, close, high, low. Okay, so yes, we have for example OHLC4, for example, but this is created, this is existed from this, okay, and value. We have additional thing in live chart, okay, in live chart. That is price on every tick, okay, on every tick. For example, if I go to something like NCUSD, for example, here in NCUSD we have here a price, but here is a new price. This is our open, okay, this is our open, but for example here is new price, okay, this is new tick, okay. We have access to this in live, but in another thing, a new tick, a new price, we access to this new price in live by kilos, okay. In live chart we have kilos give me current price, okay, give us current price, but in historical it just give us a kilos price, okay, not current price in historical. That's me cause repainting, okay. For example, I go to Bitcoin USDT, for example. Why here is my chart should be less, please. Okay, my chart no show price exactly better, okay. So for example I say plot shape, or for example if kilos is lower than or higher than previous kilos, okay, or previous, yes, previous kilos, for example. So label that new bar index and high. So it will show you label in historical when kilos is higher than previous kilos, okay, in historical. But in historical, so this side, in historical it will show you label when kilos is really higher than as previous kilos, okay. But in live chart it will show you when current price is higher than previous kilos. Okay, so this make a repaint. Okay, for example here, uh, we have let's not be here. For example here, if we check, if it go here, we have no label. Okay, because our current price is higher. If this current price come lower than this kilos, previous kilos, it will delete this. Okay, this is repaint. This cause repaint. This make repaint. Okay, and we can wait until see this. Maybe if it go lower than this. Let's say, see, went lower than this and deleted. Okay, deleted label. This is repaint. How we can avoid repainting this situation? We can use if we can use bar state dot is confirmed. This repaint, another repaint. This avoid repainting. Okay, this avoid repainting. Or for example, we wait, we calculate last previous. For example, we say if kilos 1 is 10 kilos 2, and we don't need this anymore. Okay, we can do this too. Okay, so here we avoid repainting, but sometimes you say, for example, in strategies, if immediately, for example, you have a line, okay, you have a line here, for example, you want if immediately it crossed, it break down, it open position. Okay, you don't need to close. Okay, you want here in Pine Codex, and I have an article that here, how to open position exactly on target. Okay, sometimes here, for example, we don't want to open on close, we want open here. We use a stop order, and I explained how. Okay, it's useful for you. And we have also one thing else in uh, request.security. Okay, in request.security, look ahead. Okay, this feature on historical bars only return data from the time frame before it elapsed. Okay, possible value bar image that look ahead and bar image that look ahead off. The default is off. Okay, and here is say, as I explained the user manual page and repainted, this will produce misleading results. Okay, if bar mesh that look ahead on, it will produce a misleading result. Okay, it will make it will make repainting. Why? Because for example, you are in 1 minute time frame and you get data of 5 minutes live with look at bar merge dot on. Okay, we look at bar merge. If I write if I bar merge on. Okay, so here live here it may make some repeat because kilos is not confirmed. Okay, kilos is not confirmed, that's why it may make a repaint. So you should check, maybe you need to use because if you don't want to have a repaint, use look bar mesh dot off. Okay, so with this you can avoid repaint. But we have one candle delay. If we don't want to have any repaint, we have usually one candle delay. Okay, otherwise if you don't want to have a one candle delay, you should, like this article, try something else like a stop order and order thing. Okay,